Welcome to the Movement Library, where we've compiled mobility, strength, and corrective exercises so that you can move like you mean it. Today we're talking about McKenzie extensions. So McKenzie's a dude, made these awesome exercises, and we're going to use it for low back pain. Now, this isn't for you if it's painful. And make sure you talk to your healthcare provider about this. But the movement here we're going to demo is your hands on your hips just like this. Your bum has a little bit of a squeeze to it, and you're just gently arching back to the point that's comfortable. So if you can get all the way back here, that's great, but if you can only get to here, you're just working in the range that you have. For people that think they have disky type injuries or are sensitive to a forward bend type of movement, we want to work back into the opposite position, which is what we're going to do. So you're going to do just 10 reps of this slowly, and it should increase your symptoms or not make them change, okay? It should not get worse from here. This is a bit more of a progression you can do while you're standing. I also like this for just office workers, and you sit all day in a bent position. It's a really good way to just kind of reverse that pressure in your spinal column a little bit. The alternative to this, which is if you're in an acute amount of pain or you're more tender, this is a better place to start, would be down like this with your hands. And the further forward your hands are, the less of an elevation you're going to have, and the closer they are to you, the more extension or movement you're going to have. So to start with, your arms might be up like this, and all you're going to do is raise yourself up on your elbows. So my bum is a little bit squeezed to neutralize my pelvis, and I'm just coming up to here, up and down, like that. So I'm walking my back down and coming back up. I'm not really arching my neck to kind of get that extension up here. There's no need. My neck's nice and neutral, and I'm just arching my lower back. I can progress this by walking my hands underneath my eyes, come up a little bit more. From here, I can slide further down and go a little bit higher. And then from here all the way down, I can come up. I'm never in a position where I'm in this way up like this, because then I'm just hanging out on my back and I'm in my pelvis lifted off the ground. So my pelvis is always in contact with the ground, and I'm just arching up like this. Working on your push-ups. I call these sloppy push-ups, right? Up like this. But again, starting up from this position. Once you can do all of these comfortably, that's when you can move into that standing or seated position where you're doing these extensions just like that. If you have any questions, let us know. For these, you want to try about 10 to 15 repetitions of these and do them every couple hours of the day if you're in acute pain. If it's just a day-to-day exercise when you get up and change position, try a couple of them. Give us a like if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel, and of course, move like you mean it. Thanks a lot.